before I get to work today, I just want to say, if you're feeling suicidal, that's okay, because it's okay to feel that way. But please please don't do it. Yun lang. Please, please don't do it. You will find a way out of this. You'll find a way out of this, please. Your work can go fuck itself. Perfect timing. The work can go fuck itself. I'll get fired anyway. Please don't do it. Please don't. Please. Oh wow, lakas talaga. Wow. I thought I'll just be here for a good 2 to 3 minutes. Dadrama lang ako. I've been wanting to cry for days now. I've just been having non-stop horrible hell every day. Every day, horrible hell. Putang ina, non-stop. I've been seriously wanting to avoid going to work just so I could have a break and reconsider everything in my life. Is this a sign? Is this a sign? I don't want to quit work because I have a family I have to support. Not a wife and kids, but my family, my first family. I have some catharsis na. The tears have been swelling up all week. Di ko lang malabas except right now. Thankfully, the rain made it more visceral with how I feel. But yeah, going back to the point, I've been feeling extremely suicidal for the past, I want to say all my life, since senior high school. Well, since the pandemic. You don't deserve to die. You don't deserve to die. You just deserve someone to actually fucking help you out. But please don't die. Please don't die. If you're suicidal, if you feel suicidal, it's okay. But please don't do it. Alright? I'll talk to you more about that later. Right now I have to go to work. Magugulat yung mga co-workers ko in Team A that, oh, wait, why are you in Team A? You're supposed to be in Team B. The boss said I should be here because he's gonna give me the sack or something. But yeah, I'll talk to you more. Who am I talking to? I'm talking to my future self. I'm talking to my audience, whoever the hell you might be. I'm talking to my friend, someone I can talk to. Kasi honestly, wala nang makausap. I don't have anyone else to talk to aside from my coworkers, my boss, my coworkers, my parents, and kids. I work with kids. I'm a teacher. I work with kids. And I see myself in them that they're so lost. They have no idea how lost they will be. And also, but I don't have any adult I can talk to that isn't them, isn't my coworkers or my family. I want someone new in my life, and I'm the only one that can give that conversation to myself. So be it. Ganun naman talaga. Yeah. Sige. It's 9:35. I should go now. I should have been in work at 9:30. I should have clocked in at 9:30. I'm late. Who cares anyway? They'll be really surprised I'm here. Sige na. I'm gonna go.